It is. It's Tuesday, January 6th at 7:42 a.m. Look at this. I did y'all pay her PO box? Even though she can just pick that stuff up. She doesn't need a PO box, but hey, things can be easier. But if a box is too big to fit in that, what do you have to do? You have to pick it up. Right? Okay. We're going to move on from there. Oh, wait a minute. I did some math. I know, don't laugh. But I did some math. If Candy's been out on the streets, which she was given an apartment, but she harassed the neighbors so bad, they had her out within 30 days. That reminds me. But let me tell you my math. I did $150 a day for 10 years. That's $150,000. So just to give her a little, because she might have been on the streets a little less than that, she's at least made $100,000 at the least. And that's not even counting her 2 checks. And she's asking for money, and she just got paid on the 1st. But she wants y'all to pay her bills for her. Yeah. Now, this is just plain silly.
Hello, y'all. Again, oral freestyle fiction short story for y'all. I'm nervous. So I'm hoping y'all can hear me despite this noise or whatever.
Usually we hear a lot more noise because you're always under that bridge and stuff. Well, she doesn't never do it. And the only reason why she's saying she did this because we're calling her out. She doesn't do any content. She just begs and she harasses people. That's it. That's all she does. But wait till you see this. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my.
Hello, y'all. It's 10:06 p.m. at night. I'm documenting here that a gang stalker had, this looked like fresh spit, like as if someone just left. But when I came here, nobody, was sitting here. But this looked like fresh, like spit with mucus that they illegally planted here exactly where I sit at.
Because all the seats are yours, right? Do you pay for them seats? I mean, they're not your seats. No area is your area. This is outside. You don't own anything. So shut the fuck up. Stupid idiot.
Look, here's a little snail.
Aw, snail's cute. That's about it. This girl's about to do something illegal. Oh, she's about to do something illegal. There's a walkway just a little ways up. She's getting ready to jaywalk, y'all. But it's not going to be her fault. Wait till she runs. It's so funny. Come on. Yep. Whoop, whoop. Here we go. Here we go. Wobble. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Wobble. Oh.
See how they set it up to where I can never cross the street.
I'm telling y'all, she is not stupid in any way, shape, or form. She knows how to fuck with people. pull on their heartstrings, and get money. I believe that she does think that she's gang stalked because it's very obvious that something's not right with her. But there's also not as much wrong with her as you think. And doing that fake Tourette's, you looked ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Stop faking stuff. Stop lying to people. And pay your own fucking bills. Stop harassing people. It's not that hard. Just leave them alone. Oh, wait a minute. She's got 2 comments. Be safe. Thank you so much. Yeah, we want you to be safe, but you should not have jaywalked. I saw that walkway up there. Shame on you. You illegally jaywalked. And then want to blame the cars. You're a dumbass. Andy, our bully. Yeah. This is a shout out to her. She thinks everybody's gang stalking her, that they're doing things to her that they're not. Even forcibly diarrhea. I mean, my gosh. Anyway, if y'all have seen any of the videos, you know who our begging bully is. She's horrible. But this right here, this is how she is.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock. I'm following you. Of course I'm following you. You know why? We're in a parking garage. I'm going to my car. We parked in the same aisle.
More people need to do that to her. People need to speak out and not allow it. It's in the same area that she does this. But you don't own the outside. You don't own any seat. Anybody can sit wherever they want and not be bullied and attacked by you. You almost supposedly got shot the other day for harassing people that were being very nice to you and asking you to please stop. And they couldn't understand why, and they were asking you, why are you doing this? And, and then 3 guys came and they were fed up. It's in a video, y'all can go check it out. People are fed up. But that girl does the same thing, saying that people are following her and all kinds of that crazy stuff. So this is just an example. We need more guys like this, period, to call her out on the streets. But anyway, I hate to inconvenience you, but I need $156, and then it changes to $170 something. I don't even think she realized that. But anyway, you guys have a great Tuesday, and I will see you again.